Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna talk about UseReducer. So question is, when we should use UseReducer? It's most often when we have got complex state, so you use it to use reducer. For example, when that state has multiple things in it, then you wanna use like UseReducer. But in this example, we create really simple. So let's begin. First of all, what we're gonna do, create a file with the name UseReducer tsx. Then we create the snippet file name, and first of all we initial UseReducer in React UseReducer. Then what we're gonna do, we create initial state. So const initial state, then equal brackets, and we in this video we're gonna create counter with the buttons less or more. So the name would be counter, I don't know, for example 50. Then we create action types, so type and action type equal or okay that when type increment and payload, and we represent the action value, so the value would be number in this case. Then what we're gonna do next is, once again, right, that I forgot something because it's oh, okay, that's good, like that. The next thing will be once again type, in this case would be decrement, and we write type, okay, we payload, okay, my bad, payload would be once again number. What's next? We create the reducer. So reducer would be name function if you don't need, the name would be how to counter, maybe counter reducer, and we put two things over there. So first of all, initial state, because we need state, and the state would be type of is initial. The second thing is action, and action would be action type. Nice. Okay, for now it's good, and we create switch. So switch, the key value would be action type, then case name would be Oh, we have values. That's good. The TypeScript is help to see if we have or not. Second thing would be we need to return, and what we wanna return is current state. That's going to be everything in the current in the state. So in this case, spread operator and write state like that, and counter would be state if you know need, and state would be counter, then plus and action payload, and okay, something went wrong. Okay, I forgot add it. Okay, that's good. And once again we copy, and in this case we're gonna put decrement and just change to minus. And also we need to get default value if something went wrong, so error would be throw new error something went wrong. Okay, action counter reducer is done, then we copy. And what's next? Next would be the last thing. It's the UseReducer, the component where we display on the main page. So what we're gonna write over there, first we add const state and dispatch equal UseReducer, and we can see we need to have two values. So initializer, and second is counter reducer. So we take counter reducer, and second the counter. Okay, that's good. So what is dispatch? Dispatch is used to trigger a state and change to the store. So okay, the next thing would be like that, and we create div, then paragraph, and paragraph would be state. Okay, brackets state. Oh, we can have a value, that's good. Next thing would be button, and button would be on click. Then what we're gonna do, create a function, arrow function, and in this function we have this batch, then like that. Type would be increment, like that. Second would be payload, and payload I think can be, for example, 2. Save it and copy, and once again almost repeat, just change values. Okay, button name we can put decrement and increment. Okay, that's good. And now the last thing what we're gonna do, take export default UseReducer, and we display on them our main page. So in this case, automatically, okay, automatic. That's good, really nice. And I think we should save and go to our page. We should restart. Okay, that's good. We have 50, so it's working like that. That's nice. So why you do UseReducer, just like you use state, but if you have a complex thing, so you have got a state that has multiple things in it. So I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please like. Bye.